on guys, it's Kyle, and what you're about to see is me take on Absurd Bird's 24 chicken wing challenge. So you get 30 minutes to complete 24 of their extra large wings, flavour of your choice. In this case I went for the barbecue one, because when it comes to spicy food, I ain't there. I can't deal with spicy food. So yeah, the rules are simple. Finish all 24 wings in 30 minutes, and you get them free, you get a t-shirt, and you get put on their leaderboard. The current record for this was like 8 minutes, but I'll let you guys see what time I do this in. If you can see by the title, I might put it in the title what time I did it in. But yeah, that's the thing. Before you guys watch this as well, realise not only have I not really ever ate chicken wings, but I've never done a chicken wing challenge, so I didn't really know what I was doing. I just kind of tried to ram them in as fast as possible. So yeah, that's what happened. This is the challenge. Also, right at the end, the guys at Absurd Bird were kind enough to give me a big slice of cheesecake, which you guys will see as well. So yeah, hope you enjoy, and I'll catch you in the next video.
Give me from 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
I was breathless. To my own song, but you came, you made me see the weight I put on me was too much, too tough to heal. I needed time, I needed to be I'm letting your light shine. I'm letting your love work through me. In every moment, breathe in this moment. You came, you made me see the weight I put on me was too much, too tough to heal. I needed time, I needed to be still, to know.
I'll give you that. 11 minutes. Oh man, fair play. Yeah, get the size of cheesecake. You're also welcome to go in the kitchen and wash your hands if you so wish. Beautiful. Alright, let me get your, let me write down your address.